If you want to add the shortcut of Bluetooth icon on the iPhone home screen, then you have to at first open shortcut application, then tap on this plus icon here, then in this search action look for Bluetooth and select set Bluetooth. After that tap on turn and then select toggle. Tap on this set Bluetooth option, select add to home screen, and you can select a symbol or an image for Bluetooth. I will select image, then I will go to choose photo, then I will select this Bluetooth icon here and then choose. After that select add. Once I do this one, you can see the Bluetooth icon is available on the iPhone screen, and if I tap on it, Bluetooth will be turned off, and if I again tap on it, Bluetooth will be turned on.